Lesson 3, Task 4. You need the TRIPS B presentation located in the Computer Concepts class webpage to complete this exercise. Open the presentation and then follow the steps. Step 66. Display slide 5. Then click anywhere in the bulleted list to display its text holder. Step 67. On the Insert tab in the text group, click the text box button and then point the placeholder for the bulleted list. Step 68. With the pointer shaped like an upside down T, click to the lower corner of the slide to create a small empty text box with a cursor blinking in it. Step 69. Type critical to get things off to a good start. Notice that the width of the text box increases to accommodate the text as you enter, and expanding beyond the border of the slide if necessary. If it doesn't, you can spread out your text box so that it incorporates all the words on it. Step 70. To rotate the text so that it reads vertically instead of horizontally, point to the rotating handle attached to the upper middle handle of the text box and drag it 90 degrees clockwise. Step 71. Point to the border of the box, and not one of the handles, but at the border, and then drag the box up to the right until it sits to the right edge of the slide. Release the mouse button when the box is centered on the orange ball and a smart guide tells you that it is aligned with the slide title. Now let's give the text box a red border. Step 72. On the Format Tool tab, click the Shape Styles dialog box launcher to open up the Format Shape pane. Then, with the Fill and Line Shape Options page displayed, click the line arrow to display the border options. Step 73. Click Solid Line to display those settings. Step 74. Click the Color button at the top arrow of the Theme Colors palette and click the red swatch. Then close the pane. Step 75. To display the red border, click a blank area of the slide to deselect the text box. Now let's add a multi-line text box. Display slide 6. On the View tab in the Show group, click the ruler checkbox to display a horizontal and vertical rulers across the top and bottom and on the left side of the slide pane. Step 77. On the Insert tab, in the text group, click the text box button. Then on the left side of the area below the bolded list, drag approximately 2 inches to the right and 0.5 inch down. In the text box type, the buyer manual has important information about the minimum requirements. Notice that no matter what height you made the box, it snaps a standard height when you start to enter the text. Then the height of the box increases to accommodate the complete entry. The multi-line text box has grown vertically to accommodate the text that you have entered. Step 79. Click the border of the text box to select it for manipulation. Then drag the solid border to align the text box with the bullets and drag the white sizing handles until the box is 2 lines high and the same width as the title. Step 80. Click a blank area of the slide to deselect the text box. This has no visible borders. Step 81. Click on the Edit Header and Footer button underneath the Insert tab. Step 82. Click on the checkbox next to Footer and type in student name. Click the Apply to All button. Save the presentation and get ready for the next task.